Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a miscarriage with pregnancy of about 15 weeks. You can see the fetal head, fetal death in utero, FDIU, also called the intrauterine death IUD, is a term used when the death of the fetus occurs after the 20 weeks of pregnancy. Prior to this, it is considered a miscarriage. In this pregnancy measures about the duration of this pregnancy measures about 15 weeks. With the ultrasound, a miscarriage may be diagnosed under the following circumstances. There are visible abnormalities or lack of development of gestation sac. There is lack of fetal heartbeat that was previously seen. The embryo larger than 5 millimeter in size doesn't have a heartbeat. You can see the fetus and there are no fetal movements, no fetal cardiac activity. The Spalding sign is negative as the fetal demise is an event of recent past. No fetal cardiac activity. 1% of normal uncomplicated pregnancies results in fetal death. In 15% or so of fetal death in utero, no cause is identified. You can see no blood flow is seen, no fetal cardiac activity is seen, no fetal movements are visible. With the ultrasound, a miscarriage may be diagnosed under the following circumstances. There are visible abnormalities or the lack of development of gestation sac. There is lack of fetal heartbeat that was previously seen. The embryo doesn't have a heartbeat when larger than 5 millimeter in size. Now the causes of miscarriages. You can see there is no blood flow seen inside the fetus. The uterus, although the uterus has the blood flow, which it must be. Now the causes of miscarriages, they can be classified into maternal, fetal, placental. The maternal causes are hypertension, also called the gestational hypertension. Then there may be blood group incompatibilities, metabolic disorders, then there is intrauterine infections. You can see the measurement of the duration of the pregnancy. Then there are fetal causes. There may be major fetal anomalies. Then umbilical cord complications, looping, knotting, twisting, and straight cord. Now the placental causes may include chorionic placental insufficiency, placental abruption, and chorioamnionitis. You can see the fetus. Again, you can see there is no blood flow, no fetal cardiac activity, no fetal movements. So the lack of the negative Spalding sign shows that the fetal demise is an event of recent past. After some time, the Spalding sign becomes positive. Now the radiographic features on ultrasound may include the absent fetal heartbeat, absent fetal movements, and most of the time bleeding is the first sign of miscarriage. However, a miscarriage can occur without bleeding or other symptoms may appear first. Many women prefer the term pregnancy loss to miscarriage. Now, the most miscarriages happen in the first trimester before the 12th week of pregnancy. Miscarriages in the second trimester, that is between 13 to 19 weeks, happens in 1 to 5 in 100, that is 1 to 5% pregnancies. As many as half of all pregnancies may end in miscarriages. Now, silent miscarriage symptoms. It is common to have no symptoms without a miscarriage. Sometimes there may be a brownish discharge. You can also notice the early pregnancy symptoms such as nausea and breast soreness lessen or disappear. In the second half of first trimester, the rate of miscarriage was between 2 and 4% between the weeks of 13 and 20, as in this case, the risk of experiencing a miscarriage is less than 1%. By the 20th week, the miscarriage is known as stillbirth and may still cause a woman to go into labor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click